Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, leave your comment. Please share these videos out, it would help me greatly. Leave your comments, I read them all and I love hearing from you. A little update on my wife. As you know, she's supposed to come home again today. Don't know for sure yet. It may be Monday, the doctor said. That's what he told me yesterday. But he told me that she may go home today, but if not today, it would be Monday. I'm still waiting to hear from the doctor, so we'll just have to wait and see. I hope she comes home. This house is empty without her. Y'all, Steve Mnuchin said that the stimulus check is looking the same as the one we got before. They're going to be targeting the same people will get it. The same income levels will get it. Basically, if you got it before, you'll get it again. We know last time it was $1,200 and it was a one-time payment. Okay, y'all, that is a starting point. When they send it over to the house is going to kick it around, and then they're going to send it back because we already know the house wants more. And they may make some kind of deal to get it a little bit higher. We don't know. We're going to just have to wait and see. But we know the house wants it bigger, and we know President Trump wants it bigger. So that is good there. It may help us get a bigger check. President Trump has given up on the payroll tax cut. His main objective now is the stimulus checks. He wants to get the money in people's pockets. Oh, and let's not forget he wants to get reelected too. Steve Mnuchin also said that there will be more PPP money, but it will be targeted to small business and self-employed people with under 300 employees. If you had a drop in your income of 50% or more the same month last year. Okay, and we know now $150 billion is going to education. Different parts of education is going to get different amounts of that 150. We know there's going to be funding for the CDC of $16 billion. This goes against what President Trump wants. He didn't want anything for the CDC. The unemployment boost will be passed, but now they're still fighting over the amount of the boost. They're thinking about somewhere between $100 and $200. That's not very good. But the fact that the payroll tax cut is not in this bill, and it will not be in this bill, is a huge win for Social Security, SSI, and SSDI. Thank God for that. They won't touch Social Security. Mitch McConnell said that on Monday they will introduce each component of this new bill. They're calling it CARES 2. And we know now that there may be a CARES 4.0 or something like that. I forgot what number they put on it, but it'll be another bill coming later. They're breaking it up in chunks. I like that because they can get the most important parts done first and won't have to wait forever for it. And I like it because Mitch McConnell said that wouldn't be another stimulus package. Well, it will be. Y'all, I had to break down and do it. I had to cut my hair. I did it late last night. It's a homemade haircut, but I've been cutting my own hair for 25 years, so why stop now? Y'all, please keep on praying for my wife. I talked to her last night and she was having a hard time breathing. She can barely talk. So I don't feel too optimistic she's coming home today. We're going to just have to wait and see. Y'all, we're going to get out of this. with our heads held high. I know we will. We're Americans. That's what we do. Y'all, just keep your faith in God. It's going to work out. And please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down, your comments. And please share this video out everywhere. It would help me greatly. I know for a fact there will not be a video later today. So I will be back tomorrow. Oh, and that's my wife there. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Love you all.